Hi, I'm Ed from Bikerheadz. Today we're going to be talking about a special glove from Bering, the Fletcher glove. Okay, so why is the Fletcher glove from Bering, such a special product? We've been asking for this for a while. We get asked for it all the time. It's a vegan product. So there's no leather, no animal products in this whole glove. So those of you out there that are vegans that don't want to use leather products, we've got you covered with the Bering Fletcher glove. Saying that, let's go through some of the normal features of the glove. As you can see, it's a short glove, so that allows the air to go up your cuff, keep your jacket nice and cool. There's lots of air going through there. It is a full summer glove, so it's not a waterproof product. So it's going to allow airflow through the glove itself. So this is a full summer product, ready for vegans and ready for anyone who wants to go out in the hot weather. So in terms of the back of the product, you've got the adjuster here, simple Velcro adjuster, keep it nice and tight on your wrist. It's elasticated as well, so it's going to stay on your wrist in the event of an accident. Running up, you've got a piece of faux leather running here. So again, that's not real leather. If you're concerned that these look like leather, they are faux. Running up the back, you've got Amara, which is an abrasion-resistant material from Bering. It's going to give you all the abrasion resistance. This is, as you'd expect from Bering, a CE-approved product. So you have got abrasion resistance running up the whole back of the product. Hard knuckle, again, this is CE-approved, so you need that hard knuckle on the back. And there's a foam insert behind it. So even in a fully closed fist, it's nice and comfortable on the back of the cuff, on the back of the knuckle, sorry. Running up the fingers, you've got stretch panels running down the fingers. Again, it increases the comfort. But this Amara material is quite stretchy itself, so you have got nice give and nice play. It's really comfortable. Spinning it around to the front, you've got this faux suede on the front here. Again, that is vegan friendly running down the front of the product. Gives the abrasion resistance you need if you do have an accident. On the front, you've got extra layers on the high wear areas, so it increases the wear of the product. Hopefully you're going to have this glove for a long time, keeping you nice and comfortable in that hot weather. So that's the Bering Fletcher glove, really comfortable, loads of airflow running through it, short cuff to allow the wind up, and of course it is fully vegan friendly. For any more information on this, please go to bikerheadz.co.uk and hit like and subscribe below.